Hey, what's up everybody? So this is gonna be the next day, and this one we've got to wash my truck. So it is a 2022 Frontier, so this is just gonna be kind of chilling, washing it. I might just even do it a little bit ASMR. I don't know. We'll see what I do with some of the clips. Real quick though, it's dropped like almost 15 degrees since yesterday. So I'm gonna wash outside, and then once I'm done washing outside, then I'm gonna move it into the garage here, and then I'm gonna wax it and do some other stuff like that. And then we'll do the interior too. So first off, we're gonna do the windshield, then we'll do some wheels, and we'll do some mats because I got to do the floor mats, and then I'm gonna wash the outside. And at that point, then it'll be time to get it inside, and get the interior done. So let's get started. Okay, so windshield's, oh, I gotta turn around. So windshield's done, so let's do some wheels. I'm only gonna show you guys one wheel because I don't want to sit here and do all four. And like, editing it's gonna suck, so we're just gonna do one. And then after that, we'll just kind of go to washing. Only because like, it already takes me like 5-10 minutes to do each wheel, and they're pretty grungy because I haven't washed this in a while. So yeah, let's get to doing this. so bright, sun's in my eyes, I can't see. Yeah, now it's time to wash. Got the wheels done. We're gonna rinse it off real quick, and then we're gonna hit it with the foam cannon, and then we're gonna scrub it at that point. And then, yeah, dog's outside too. So, you'll see him running around at some point. All right. All right, man, it's bright. I'm gonna put the camera conveniently right there, and it's gonna cover my face. So we're just gonna turn. I was washed. I'm gonna get it dry, and then once it's dry, it's gonna go in the garage, and then interior fun. Alright, she's dry. Now, gonna clean up and get it in the garage, just like. So we're in the garage. Just gotta vacuum and then gotta get to doing some interior, some wax stuff. So for right now, while I clean the interior, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get the vacuum going, and I'm gonna put you all on the GoPro, just on like a time lapse on the GoPro, because that does a hell of a lot better for at least doing interior. It's kind of dark, but we'll see how it goes. So, get to work. Okay. I gotta stop saying that. every time. Okay, so I always edit it out so you guys don't see it. Literally every time I open a video. Okay, so right. So the truck's been wiped down, kind of cleaned up. I did the windows, I did the interior, I wiped down the interior, wiped down the leather, did all kinds of stuff. I've been at this for like 3 hours. Too much. But next is I'm gonna be waxing. So I've got some good old ceramic graphene paste wax from Turtle Wax. This stuff like is excellent. If you're just doing like a little quick coat, excellent. So let's get to doing that. Well, it's 9 o'clock. I've been at this since 2:30. Truck's done. I'm gonna go through and I'm just gonna give it one more quick buff tomorrow. Just make sure I got all the wax off in the morning, and then I'll do a nice clip of pulling it out of the garage or something. I don't know yet. So yeah, I'll just cut right to that now. So, as you can see, we got her done. Took quite some time, but you know what? This one needed it. Hadn't been done in a while, and you know, it was starting to get a little bit iffy towards New England right before I left. So, hey, you know what? We got it. We're good. She feels like touching butter now. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. But anyways, hope you liked the video. Hope you drop a comment, and if you like the content, you subscribe and stick around. Like I said, I'm still trying to figure out what's going on with the channel. I'm learning. I'm doing everything. If you can't tell, like, I'm learning how to use the camera, let alone editing too. So, but other than that, hope you all have a good day. I'll see you all later. Peace.